Okay, guys, today we talk about uh, organization and organizing. Uh, First thing, what is an organization? A social entity, goal directed and deliberately structured to achieve certain tasks of activities. Function of management, planning, organization, directing, leading, and controlling. Since manpower is considered a resource, staffing staffing means arranging, organizing manpower is included in the organization function. Uh, then, what is organizing? Organizing can be defined as the process of sourcing, allocating, and arranging of resourcing activities and authority in order to achieve the organizational objectives effectively. Uh, then, the keywords below. Process means a set of interrelative activities. Sourcing, searching and obtaining. Allocating, assigning an specific area of task. Arranging means setting in order. Resources, these are essentially all the factors of production. Uh, then, activities means these are the various areas of work, jobs, and tasks that need to be done to achieve an organizing targets, goals, and objectives. They need to be arranged in a manner that will give the best productivity. Then authority means this is the legislative power or right to give orders to make uh, decisions. Uh, Organizational structures or an organizational structures can be defined as the arrangement of people and tasks designed to accomplish the goals of organization. An organizational structure can be identified as a fixed pattern of uh, number one, position within the organization and their uh, and level of authority. Second one, relationships among those positions. Third one, formal line of communication. That's all. See you soon.